Humares is a term already known in the medical field for more than 30 years. The German manufacturer Humares offers the Humadent, Humares Portable, Humarzona and Humares ProMedic as ideal therapy units for every ozone application. The units are the result of decades of practical experience. The following video shows you the individual functions in practice using the example of the Humares ProMedic. The extremely logical therapy sequence is the basis for the design and ergonomics of the control elements. Like all other Humares products, the unit already cleans and tests itself following switching on. Error messages are displayed if no oxygen is present or if the oxygen cylinder valve is closed, if the sampling valve is contaminated, or if the physical measured values are outside the tolerance. The unit can only be used for therapy when all these parameters have been checked. During the therapy, the 4-digit display always displays what is of interest. 4 functions on the display: the ozone concentration, the ozone dose, the time, and the vacuum. If you press the ozone button, the ozone concentration is displayed in micrograms per milliliter, and at the same time, you can pre-select the ozone concentration from 0, in other words pure oxygen, up to 80 micrograms per milliliter. If you press the time or vacuum button, the pre-selected time or the vacuum will be displayed. A highlight of all units belonging to the Humares range is the patented ozone sampling valve. As a result of a sophisticated spring mechanism, this always remains closed dust-tight. A unique feature is automatic, checking that the sampling valve is clean. The Humares examines this sensitive valve for excessive contamination each time it is switched on. For your own safety and the safety of patients, you can open this valve without tools and clean and sterilize it as necessary. The vacuum pump is used for all suction processes. The vacuum is output exact to the millibar on the 4-digit display. This is a view of the rear of the Humares with the oxygen inlet and the power supply. At the bottom are the line fuses and the outlet of the catalytic converter. Here is an overview of the expendable articles: lockable filter, non-lockable filter, Zanki set, Humares extension, bag adapter and plastic syringes. The oxygen cylinder must be opened prior to each treatment. The amount of available oxygen can be calculated by multiplying the display on the manometer by the size of the oxygen cylinder. An example: assume you have a cylinder with a content of 3 liters and a pressure of 110 bar. Then 110 times 3 is equal to 330 liters of oxygen. This means that the cylinder has sufficient oxygen for about 330 treatments.